Rideshare careers. Rideshare careers. Rideshare careers. Rideshare.
All right, so you go to your learning center, right? Go down to your learning center and boom, earn more with Lyft delivery. Get started. Now, this is as much as I know about Lyft delivery program. I'm not gonna beat around the bush. I'm not gonna talk about nothing else but the Lyft delivery program. Now, it's a Lyft Delivery Drivers is a program that offers drivers an additional earning opportunity by delivering goods to your local community. So I'm not sure if it's just talking about food. It's say by opting in, you may pick up auto parts, prescriptions, retail items, food, and stuff that was on Craigslist back in the day, basically. Now we're gonna go on to the second part, bang. The biggest difference between a Lyft delivery ride and a passenger ride is you'll need to park your car and go inside. No duh. Anyway, key takeaway. By signing up for Lyft delivery, you'll continue to receive passenger rides. Alright, but they gonna charge us for additional mileage or whatever if we use the rental? Boom. How do I get paid? You'll be able to see upfront earnings and ride details before you accept a ride. Some delivery rides include tips. No duh. Upfront earnings are not concluded on your rate card, miles/minutes. It's based on factors like ETA, market conditions, traffic, basically just like Grubhub and DoorDash and Uber Eats and stuff. If you have issues delivering an item, you'll still earn for the ride back to the pickup location. Okay, that's pretty cool. Did you know if the delivery have any bonuses or tolls, they'll be included in the upfront earnings amount. Okay. What is Lyft delivery? Nice work, keep on learning. Next lesson. How does it look in my driver app? The delivery experience should feel familiar. Once you've opted in, delivery requests will come through automatically. When you get matched, this is what it'll look like. You'll know it's a delivery ride if you see the little bag icon. Okay. The pickup experience. The difference between the delivery ride and the passenger ride start at pickup. Once you've parked, walk inside and check your app for more instructions about the pickup. Bring your phone inside and use the call button in app if you cannot locate the package. Pickup overview. Once you've picked up a package, you'll need to tap the check mark to confirm you picked it up. This is like state the obvious. If an item is damaged, don't take it and follow these steps below to cancel the ride. Wait a minute. If an item is damaged, don't take it and follow the steps below to cancel the ride. If your order has multiple stops, you'll see this in the order overview once you've parked. The drop-off experience. Once you've parked at the drop-off spot, check the driver app for instructions. Call the recipient through your app if you need help. If you are unable to complete the delivery, tap the red triangle on the screen to report an issue through the app. If you're unable to deliver an RX package, it must be returned to the pharmacy or business where you picked it up. Completing the delivery. Once you've delivered the package, you'll need to take the picture or get a signature from the customer. Oh damn, that's a little, feel like FedEx or something. You'll be prompted to do one of these in your app. Take your phone with you when dropping off the package. Okay. Having issue during a ride. If you run into an issue during your pickup or drop off, Tap the red triangle in the top right corner. Selecting an issue at pickup will cancel the ride. If you have an issue at drop off, the app will give you directions on what to do with the package. COVID-19 rideshare CDC guidelines. Packages must be delivered unopened and in original packaging. Regular disinfectant surfaces and practice good hygiene. Open windows during trips to increase air circulation in your car so the COVID-19 from outside could get in. Nah, I'm just joking. That makes sense. Want to learn more? Check out our COVID. No. Try to maintain awareness of your personal belongings, especially when you leave them in your car. They don't even say no them, but I'm gonna keep it. I don't even feel like I'm editing this. Try to maintain awareness of your personal belongings, especially when you leave your car. If you are uncomfortable and can't do the delivery, return the items to the pickup location. Remember to call 911. Are you serious? Anyway. What if they take our phone? But it's all good. Y'all get the drift. Please do not open packages. Any tampering, damage, or theft to packages may result in deactivation from the platform completely. Damn, that means no rides or no packages? Okay. When delivering healthcare items, recipients have a right to protection of their personal health privacy. Makes sense. Make sure your customer information isn't visible when taking a picture at the drop-off. Wait, what? So, wait a minute. So you saying if I drop off a package and take a picture of the address with the package, is that in trouble? Like, wouldn't that make sense to actually do that so you know I dropped it off at the right house? What if I didn't take a picture of the package and the address with it, like with the front door, and it was the wrong address? At least they know what house I dropped it off at. So hold on, let me read that again. Make sure customer information. Oh, they talking about the package. Oh, but wouldn't that make sense that because what if it's the wrong package and I didn't take a picture of the name on the package information? So I can still read the package information even if I'm in the car. I could be reading it, take a picture with my regular camera. So it still don't secure your information. You know what? I'm gonna leave it alone. We get the all right. You know what? I'm doing too much. Still have questions? Contact support in the Lyft driver app by navigating to help deliveries. Contact us. See how to find the in-app help center below. Lyft delivery driver fact has even more information about delivery rides. Looking to opt out of delivery? Contact support. Okay, so you can opt out of this mess. Anyway, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the like button. Thanks for watching. On this channel, we do cartoons, tutorials, ride-alongs, guides, comedy skits, full-blown original content. It doesn't matter. We do it all. Anyway, appreciate you guys for watching. Peace. No, I have not tried it yet. I signed up, as you guys can see. However, they never sent me a delivery because probably I have to download another app, like the guy said in his video. I seen one other video dealing with this topic, or basically it's not in my market yet, or it's not really popping around here, or not too many people know about it or something, or it's still up and coming. I'm not sure how they're going to go about it. They just started it and I just seen that guide or whatever in the section where I'm able to learn myself. So anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.